Okay, today I want to talk a little bit about mining and choosing which currency or which coin you're going to mine and give you a few options here. I really like this site, whattomine.com, because it actually does a lot for you. Um, Basically, the first thing you do is you come over here and pick what video card you have. I actually have five 1070s right now that I'm mining with. So put the number in there, click this button, it turns green. If I didn't, it would be like, it wouldn't be green. So you put the number in there, click that button. It automatically fills in the estimated hash rates for all these different um, algorithms. Okay, so if you happen to know what they are, you can put them in instead, but if you don't, this gives you a really good idea of what you'll get. It's not perfect, but it's a good guess. Okay, so once you do that, then you click this button, calculate, and once that's done, it'll calculate and tell you which currencies are the most profitable ones to mine right now. Um, so right now, the top of it is this coin. I'm not even really familiar with that coin, um, and it says you'll make $9.42 a day in um, in mining that coin. Um, Now the problem I have with this site is that yesterday when I came in here, this was not the top coin. In fact, it was Hush. Let's see. Okay, so there's Hush right there. That was the number one coin yesterday. So if I would have came in here and I said, okay, well that's the coin I'm going to mine, I start mining that. Now today it's down here, and now this one is up here. So I switch to this one. Well, if you're mining, usually you want to stick to mining the same coin for a little bit, so you can actually get some money out, um, rather than just mine like a half a currency or depending on what it is, maybe a thousandth of a currency, and you can't really do much with that. So that's the problem you run into jumping up and down. So there's a couple different options you can go there. I don't recommend just picking the top coin and mining it. Um, Watch this for a little bit, and I don't really know how to read this for sure, but I'm guessing this is the current. This is 3 days. This is the last 24 hours, and this is 7 days. So as you can see, this one has been apparently in the last 7 days. It's been up there. Uh, Pretty good. I'm not sure what the 121% means. I wish I understood this site a little bit better on this. The way I use it really is I just kind of watch this, and I see, well, I didn't see this coin up here. I've noticed this one pop up here a couple times, then drop way down. Um, these three right here, I notice up here all the time. So I would say, pick one of these three, um, or Ethereum is up there a lot, and uh, Ethereum Classic, where's it at now? It's up there a lot. The Zen Cash, there's Ethereum Classic. They're up there all the time. So pick one of those and just mine with it, and that's one option. Now it kind of depends on what your purpose is. Or you want to get a coin that you're going to hold and wait, expect that value to go up, or are you just wanting to get that cash out? You're going to take this um, $9 and you're going to take that cash out every day and transfer it to your bank account. You just want the money. Now, if you want the money, um, you can do one of these coins and just mine it until you get enough to take some money out. Um, if you want the coin that you're going to hold, um, then it doesn't really matter the profitability. It's going to jump up and down and go wherever. Um, so say you find a coin down here, maybe Hush, maybe you think that's going to be a good one, and it was profitable the other day. It still is profitable, but it's dropped down on the list a little bit. Then you just mine it. You don't really worry about the profitability. You're going to mine it because you expect that to jump up, and it's going to make it all worth it. So that's one way to do it. Um, One way that I'm just using right now is, and this might not be the very most profitable, but it's the easiest. If you notice on here, there's this nice hash. It goes up and down just like the other ones. It's usually not the very top. and that's because it's not really a coin. Um, NiceHash essentially sells out your hashing power and pays you back in Bitcoin. Let me show you real quick. I'm actually running my this exact thing with 1070s going. Um, Running it right here. This is my NiceHash. Um, what I'm making here. Okay, so with this one, it's mining away. It's actually doing 2.7. Let's go back here and look real quick. That was actually, oh, what's it mining? Equihash. Okay, so it's doing Equihash, which is right there. Okay, so I'm getting better than the 2100. I'm actually getting 2700, so a little bit better, and because of that I'm actually getting more profit. If you look down here, daily income $9.25 a day. Okay, and the nice thing about this is you can see here it's jumped back and forth between the most profitable algorithms, and so right now Equihash is the best one. The other day this one was the best one, and another day it was this one. And so you don't have to sit there and watch that chart and find out which is the most profitable. This will automatically jump around and mine whatever is most profitable for you, and it'll pay you out in Bitcoin. Now I actually have this one set up to go to my Poloniex account. You can set up an account with Poloniex, and it'll just go in here, and that's my account, deposit it there, and so it'll show up right in here, right in my Bitcoin account. And then I can either, now if I was going to just take that out for money, I would probably send it to a different account that I can just transfer my money out to my bank, like Coinbase or something like that. But here I actually want to put this into some other currencies, some that I think are going to do really well. Some you can't even mine, some aren't very profitable mining. So I get the Bitcoin and then I can buy those other coins. So essentially I can get any coin I want. So for example, say I was talking earlier about Hush, okay? So it's only making $7 a day, whereas this is making me $9 a day. So if I mine with NiceHash and then I buy these Hush coins, I'm making more money. Now if this was the most profitable one right up here on the top, I would make more money just mining it directly. So anyway, those are some options. You could just mine the coin, or you can go with NiceHash, and it'll automatically mine the most profitable algorithms and send you Bitcoin, where once it's in your Poloniex account, I don't recommend you storing a bunch of money on these online accounts, but you can take this, they'll deposit it in here, you can take this, transfer it to whatever coin you want, and then transfer it to your wallet, your offline wallet, and then you have that coin, and then you can hold it. Or if you're gonna just make money, then obviously you'd want to just send it to a Coinbase or something and transfer to your bank account. Anyway, that just kind of saves you a step by going directly to Bitcoin and then buying whatever you want. Anyway, I hope that answers some of your questions, and hope you enjoyed the video.